Now we will see information gathering and basic terminologies. Before we will keep our hands on bug bounty hunting, we have to know something. We have to know about the terminologies. We have to gather information about target. We have to gather information about server, about the applications. Every single details you have to gather about target. So first we'll see basic terminology. See, first thing is called injection point. What does that mean basically? You can say where uh, vulnerability exists. Vulnerability can be exist. Okay. Yes. Basically, where attacker can attack. That's called injection point. Now, second is you can. It's a vulnerability. Injection point means a vulnerable location. Okay, that's it. Second is vulnerability. Vulnerability is a flaw or weakness of system. System could be anything: web server, network, wireless, mobile applications, anything. Third, payload. Payload is a script or code that used to identify vulnerability. Again, vulnerability having lots of types, so you have to identify vulnerability. There is a SQLite, there is a cross-site scripting. Every vulnerability having different signatures to identify. The fourth is exploitation. Exploitation means what? Taking advantage of that vulnerability to gain system access. That's called exploitation. So that's the basic terminologies. Okay. Now we'll see information gathering. What we have to gather about target. The very first thing you have to gather about target is site. Yes. So let's take examples of this website. You can say Nokia.com. I want to bug hunt on this website Nokia.com. Second is you have to find what? Subdomains. Why subdomain? See, if domain have many subdomains, then there is a chance you will have a more chance to hunt bugs. Okay, so let's how to find subdomains. For this you have to go to virustotal.com. This is a very good website to find subdomains. So I'm going for virustotal.com. Virustotal.com. There is a search for what? Let's give Nokia.com. I want to find subdomain of Nokia.com. So see, I got the observed subdomains, 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 subdomains. There are many subdomains. So many subdomains mean many more opportunities with you. You can hunt lots of them. Okay. So see this. I got these many subdomains by this website. Now third is how to let's see how to hunt on these subdomains. You have to sort the subdomains. You have to rank the subdomains by unpopularity. Okay, to rank the subdomains by unpopularity. Okay, and you have to try first less traveled road. I read somewhere this less traveled road concept. So let's travel road. What means it? Unpopular websites will give you bounty. You will get a bug there easily. Okay, on unpopular websites, unpopular subdomains. So first try on unpopular, then the rank. Okay, the try one by one by all the subdomains of the domains. The fourth, find IP address. IP address of the websites. How to find IP address? Simple, you can do ping space IP address. That's it. Sorry, ping space domain name. So ping space any.com will give you IP address. Example, see this. Ping space nokia.com. That's giving me IP address of Nokia. 162.13.40.196. Fifth, reverse. So which programming language they are using? This is very good concept. Which programming language this website is using, you can say. So for this you have to use Kali Linux, or you can use Google also. For if you want to use Google, you can try like this. Go to Google, you can give a domain name, let's say site colon, let's say which domain name, let's fill this, let's try this apps.networks.nokia.com. I'll copy this. I have to find which programming language they are using. They are using PHP, they are using ASPX, whatever. So I'll first do this. Okay, the website is not available. Let's try on this developer.health.nokia.com. Now if I'll try there, okay, now so I have to gather which programming language. So I'll do .php first. .php is not there. I'll try .aspx first. ASPX is not there. ASP not, GSP not, GSPX not. So the programming language is unknown maybe. We are not getting the programming language from the Google itself. Or you can just open this some of the pages and you will get a programming language. Okay, which they are using some kind of let's click on forgot password. Maybe you will get there. Okay, so they are using some kind of ASPX maybe. Or if you want to confirm this which programming language they are using, you can use a very good command. For the command from Kali Linux, we can use whatweb space any.com. So you can use here whatweb space this. So they are using what? Have you got any programming language? So they are using I haven't got which programming language they are using, but yes, X powered by, see this X powered, they are using banana programming language. Oh my god. Banana PI, they are using banana PI. Okay, so you have to look for X powered by. See this, you can give any other whatweb space un.org. See this, what they are using, nothing. You can give whatweb space www.microsoft.com. so they are using what? I'll have to look for X powered by, so you are not getting Microsoft. So let's have whatweb space kursera.com. so there I'm using X powered by PHP 4.54. yes, you can do whatweb space ce can say www.ipune.ac.in. They see this, they are using ASP.NET programming language. So this way you can gather programming language. Now 6, after programming language, what you have to gather? You have to gather sometimes you have to gather what? The ports, open ports and services. For this you can use nmap space IP address, the very normal scanning. This is called normal scanning. So if you will do this, let's try on some of the live websites. Let's try on this this website. You can say my website. Okay, or no, not my websites. It will be secure. Yeah, let's try on this developer.health.nokia.com. let's copy this the IP address. Now you have to do nmap space IP address. Let's do this, very simple. Sorry, I'm not getting anything. Let's paste. Oh my god, I have to type. Okay, let's try on this website. Okay, so IP address is 121.241.73.169. let's click on it. So you have to wait because nmap is okay. So it's really but blocking our ping props. They are blocking our ping request. So you can do -P-N. Okay, so it's taking time. No, don't worry. Okay, we can skip this now. We can. So if this won't give you the enough information, you can use aggressive scanning. For aggressive scanning, use nmap space IP space hyphen s capital V. IP means IP address, okay? Don't give IP, okay? Now, if won't give this in the good information about target, then you can use to detailed information about target. You can use. For this, you can use what nmap space IP space pipe space nmap space hyphen s capital C space IP. So yes. So this way to gather not seventh is what you can also gather server informations. Server information means which server they are using, either they are using IIS or Apache or Tomcat or Nginx, which app server they are using. So for this you can use again what web space any.com. This will give you the server information. So let us see this, the ports scan. They gave me all the ports about this unipune.ac.in target. You can, oh my god, lots of port open, lots of port open. This is very wonderful. You can try attack there, okay? You will get a server sale. So okay, let's check. There is a 1 3 you can check on the CV details about this, okay? Now I'm trying for the aggressive scanning hyphen capital S no yes capital B. Now let's try this. So this is called aggressive scanning. It is again blocking the ping, so you can hyphen capital PN, so it will give you the all information. Now we are looking for the server information. For this you can what web space you can give hackersera.com. Let's example. Oh no, SSH space. I have to connect with my Kali Linux machine. Maybe 0.107. Yes. So now if I'll give a what web space hackersera.com. See. So HTTP server. So I'm using Apache Fusion Passenger 4.4. Now if you are looking for any other website, let's try for what web space un.org. So they are using what Apache, not telling you Unix authentication TDS whatever. So you are getting the server details. So if they were using some of the older version of the web server, then you can attack there. So that's why we are gathering the informations, okay? So I hope it's clear to you how to gather information about target. If not, we will have a discussion session.